Welcome to the page on piecewise functions. On this page, you will take a look at the given function over certain intervals, and you will decide if the function is increasing, decreasing, or staying the same. And you will also need to determine if the function is linear, meaning a straight line, or if it's non-linear. In a moment, you will pause the video and complete this page on your own. But let's take a look at a few questions together just to get you started. Let's begin with question number 6. We're to look at the interval from -2 to +1. So if you look at the x-axis and mark off -2 to +1, you can see we've been given a portion of the function. Number 1, is that red portion of the function increasing, decreasing, or staying the same as we move left to right across the coordinate plane? Clearly, it is increasing. And is it linear or nonlinear? Well, it's a straight line, so clearly it's linear. Let's move on to number 7. If you look at number 7, they would like us to study the interval from 1 to +3. So again, here's +1, here's +3 on the x-axis. We're looking at this portion of the function. As we move from left to right, we can see that the function is staying the same, and we also have to determine if it's linear or nonlinear. Since it's a straight line, we can also make the statement that it is linear. Now, complete 5 and 8 on your own, and then move on to the bottom and complete the entire section at the bottom of the page. When you're ready, turn the video back on and check your work. Right now, you should pause your video. Please pause now. Let's correct this page together. You should have completed 5, 8, 9, 10, and 11 on your own. Let's begin. For number 5, we examine the portion of the function right here in purple. You should have gotten decreasing and nonlinear. Give yourself a C. For number 8, you should have gotten, for the green section of the function, increasing and linear. Give yourself a C if that's correct. For number 9, we're looking at this portion of the function. You should have gotten increasing and linear. Give yourself a C. For number 10, -2 to 0, you should be looking at this portion of the function. You should have stated that it's staying the same and linear. And finally, for the last portion of the function, which is highlighted in green, from 0 to 2 on the x-axis, you should have stated that it is decreasing and linear. Give yourself a C if that one's correct. This concludes this page on piecewise functions.